I've been using the Outin Nano for the past few months, and in this video, I'll show you why it's my favorite portable espresso maker and how you can pull a perfect shot with it anywhere. Inside the box, you'll find a full step-by-step brewing guide, stickers, a manual, and everything you need to get started. A coffee cup, an extra basket for pods, a dosing and tamper cup, the machine itself, and a basket for using fresh coffee grounds. If you want to use ground coffee instead of coffee pods to make the best espresso with this machine, you'll want about 6 grams of finely ground coffee. If you don't have a scale, just fill the dosing cup to the top. That's roughly the right amount. Transfer the grounds into the basket and tamp firmly using the back of the dosing cup. You should leave about 3 millimeters of space between the coffee bed and the rim of the basket. Then close it up and lock it back into the machine. Here's what makes the Outin Nano stand out. It doesn't just brew with hot water. You can also fill it with cold or room temperature water, and it will boil and brew the espresso automatically. That means no more hand pumping or searching for boiling water when you're camping or traveling. For me, this is the Nano's biggest advantage. It truly lets you enjoy great espresso anywhere, anytime. Depending on the water temperature you start with, it takes around 2 to 4 minutes to boil and brew. On a full charge, you'll get about 4 to 5 cups using cold water, or up to 12 to 15 cups if you're starting with boiling water. The espresso itself is consistently creamy, rich, and delicious, and having this compact machine with me has been a game changer. It's the perfect way to enjoy quality coffee wherever life takes you. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out my next video for more home barista tips.